What is going on, guys? Alrighty, I'm super excited to announce that we have just launched our MCP server. So we now give you the ability to go ahead and fetch social listening posts, or fetch social media posts, I should say, across things like Reddit, YouTube, podcasts, LinkedIn. And we're about to add Substack, Threads, Instagram, TikTok, GitHub, Hacker News. We're adding tons. So this is really, really cool because I think it gives, if we think about AI and where the world is going, right? Everyone wants to live inside of something like a Claude Code or some sort of terminal or, some form of chat experiences, which is typically controlled by these AI companies. And we need to provide context. So let's say you're a CMO or you're a head of marketing and you're wanting to create a marketing strategy. Well, where do you start with that marketing strategy when we're thinking about it from like a content lens? Well, now you could go ahead and you could say, hey, Claude, go ahead and monitor for all of my competitors, go monitor my industry, go monitor what we've done historically, and have a look at where there are some content gaps, right? And it's going to be able to build a system that goes and basically monitors all of these posts, feeds it through, and it will spot content gaps for you. That's one use case that I'm doing right now, which is really interesting because I'm doing it to work out organically where can I post, but also we've been toying with the idea of running some ads. So where are the ad opportunities? And we've got it all streaming into this agent that we basically built through using Claude Code, which is really exciting. Maybe you want to monitor competitors to understand product launches, product features, things like that people are talking about. Again, gaps for a product roadmap perspective. Or maybe just monitoring your own brand. Like one thing that I've been playing with using OpenClaw is, okay, hey, you're helping me create content. You need to be like a mirror to me. You need to mirror how I'm thinking, how I'm feeling. So yes, I've spent time connecting like my transcripts from things like Granola and Fireflies. It has access to all of the communication that I'm doing with my team, how I talk to it, and through its memories. But now I'm giving it also social media. What is the world saying? What is the world talking about? Where should I be thinking? Where should I be going? What should I be talking about? And so it helps me drive that way. And then when I do post, it then reports on that performance. How well did that post do? And do we need to iterate based on what we've seen historically with my posts as well? So as you can see, I'm going to do a deeper video on this, probably on my YouTube, showing the exact use cases and how I'm breaking them down myself. But the opportunities are really quite endless here. So let's go ahead and just fire Claude Code up, and I'll just give you a couple of quick examples to show you how this is, working. Go ahead and set up a social listening search using Trigify, where we are monitoring anytime the keyword Claude Code and skills are being mentioned in relation to a marketing context. So maybe they're saying that they created Claude Code skills for marketing or something like that. And I want to monitor this across X. So what I really like about this is like one of the use cases that I've actually been doing, funny enough, because I spend a lot of my time scouring Twitter. A lot of it's hype and slop, but a lot of it's really useful because, most things break on Twitter first. So it's actually a great like knowledge repository for me. It's really, really interesting. So here we go. So what it's going to go do is you can see it's now, there we go, set up a search where the post must contain Claude Code, skills, and marketing all together. It's gone back and looked over the last week, and it's going to update daily. This is really cool. So I could say, can you go check the results from that search? I'm curious to see what we have. So now it's going to go ahead and fetch those results, right? These are just pretty simplistic things that I'm doing here, which is just creating a search and getting it back. Where you can build with this is you can create like the cron jobs, the automations, the workflows. And I'm not talking about like NA10 stuff here. I'm talking about, using Claude Code to custom code some really, really cool, complex agents together, where you could set up a daily schedule to monitor these reports or these social posts coming in based on what you've created as well. So here we go. We've got people basically starting to talk about everything that's coming in here. this is cool. I've seen this guy post actually before. So we could say, can you link me this post that he did, for example, right? Again, these are just very simple things, but I want you to think about, okay, where could we go with this? And this gives you now access to the entire, or gives your agents access to the entire social media web, so to speak. Free reign to start monitoring, reporting, analyzing, doing whatever you want to do across it all.